Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Dr. Krutika Prajapati, practicing pediatric dentistry in Vapi since 2019. I have been in Bhavdeep sir's course participant from the finance workshop with my husband, then joined the practice management, which further led me to the sir's record keeping and consent workshop. To give sir a feedback or a testimonial is very tough, as whatever I say is going to be less, as sir's hard work, knowledge, time management is highly appreciable and uncomparable to anybody. Sir always gives more than what the topic needs, and his delivery on it is just amazing. To come in contact with Sir and then joining the course, finding a mentor like him is just a blessing for all of us. In this workshop of record keeping and consent, Sir gave us an immense knowledge highlighting every possible aspect from the first consultation to the record keeping digitally and how all forms should be designed, whether it is a medical form, a physician, pediatrician, or a gynec form, and designing a treatment approval form, which is the most important part, and how an personalized informed consent can be made for every treatment, and it is in such a detailed manner that you will all say goodbye to your blanket consent which we were taking for years. Sir even made us create the terms and conditions, policies, and post instructions of any treatment. Sir's homework and the way of teaching is just ultimate. Sir makes us all effort to teach us and in the best possible way, keeping it to be simple to understand. Such a simplified sharing of knowledge is only possible by his experience and such a knowledgeable speaker. This workshop wasn't offline but had a super amazing personal touch of Sir. Any doubt? Sir is just a message away. This workshop, as such, all of the workshops of Sirs are highly recommended.